Hey everyone, Gamer1Bro here. Today for you guys, I got a Studio Series Ratchet review. Sorry that I didn't, sorry that I didn't upload this earlier. I'm just getting really tied down with school. Even though I have 6 days left of school left, our, our teachers are really nailing us down with work because they don't like us. But getting to that, Studio Series Ratchet. So, actually, I want to move them to the side and show off the box art first. We will think. So, this is supposed to be based off the Mission City battle where he really got his shining moment. So, it's pretty cool. It says Transformers, the Autobot symbol, Studio Series 04, Transformers, Autobot symbol. That's about it for his display stand and his box art. Other figures for the Wave 1 Deluxes include Bumblebee, Stinger, and Crowbar. As you all know, side of the box art, another side, Takara Tomy and Hasbro, part of the Transformers Generations. So, let's bring Ratchet in. So let me, adjust the camera. And first impression, she looks pretty good. Stands pretty good, So accessories besides the display stand includes this bustle that he used in the movie, which looks pretty cool. Nice paint apps on it. No. What I wish he did come with was the gun that he had, because I would think that would be a more appropriate accessory. So this is pretty good Ratchet. So let's go over articulation. Head looks side to side, does not go up, which is really upsetting. He kind of has a butterfly joint. If y'all don't know what it is, it's kind of like common with Marvel Legends, which I'll start making reviews for those. Arm is on a double joint, so that's pretty cool. Swivel right here, no wrist articulation, leg can kick up this high, this far back, kick out this far. It can swivel right here, but I wouldn't really call that. Leg could do this. Nice ankle articulation. So, what do I think of this Ratchet? I like it. Going so far as with paint, he looks pretty good. As you can see on his feet, he has some paint right here and here. What I wish he had is a little more paint. I'm about to bring in the box art of him. As you can see on the box art, in the head area, he has red on his, on the side of his nose, and he has red on his head, and he has more silver throughout his face. So, Hasbro, come on, y'all gotta get better with your paint apps. But this is overall a decent paint job for him. So the overall cost of him, I got him at Walmart, so he was 18. Like the cost said 18, but with plus tax, will round off to $21.95. I got the receipt, but I'm about to show it to y'all. So it looks pretty good. So for some size comparisons, here we have Titans Return. Wait, let me get this feet off. Oh, Titans Return Hot Rod. if this was supposed to be completely accurate, he should have been, Ratchet should have been like at least a Voyager, in my opinion. So that's him compared to little Autobot Buddy, which I think he looks pretty good. So we're going over transformation. So first, what you want to do is untap these. If y'all see this tab right here, it's supposed to tap into this little slot right here. So same for the other side. And what you want to do, you want to spin it around, where these will be facing inward, and you want to untap this. Like, it doesn't tap in, but it does at the same time. If that makes any sense. And you swivel it upside down. And that's so far. So getting with the leg not articulation, with the leg. You want to take these out, and you want to go to the back and fold this out. Okay, and then you want to get the feet, because right here it has like a double, I don't know what they call that, bend right here, and like there's a little tap right here, and it taps into this. So tabs all in securely. Second verse just like the first. So same for the other side. And what you want to do, the arms, you want to do this so they look like this. Let me get to the other side, and I want to spin this forward. And what I like to do, I like to spin the head backwards. So that's when you start to tap everything in. There's like little tabs up here where these like will tap into. Just kind of fiddly. Which it wasn't doing that when I wasn't videotaping, so I don't know why I have to do that right now. Wow. For real, Ratchet. I'm about to take this off camera real quick so I can get the legs. So I got the legs, and what you want to do, fold this up, push this back, and there's a tab right in here, so you want to use the soft plastic. Don't pull it too hard or it's going to break off. And you want to, this tab right here, so you push the arm up and you push it in, and it'll tap in. Same for the other side. Looks pretty good. It rolls pretty well, like all rolling should. It looks pretty good. I like the paint on the vehicle. You see, you can tell they're different color greens. I don't know how well that'll pick up on camera, but you can tell. And it says, wait. Department Fire, but it should say Fire Department. It's not picking up well on camera, but it says Search and Rescue. And you got the Autobot symbol that says Search and Rescue Fire Department. And this won't go down from, at least on my copy, so QC issues. But it's pretty good. On the back, he looks pretty good. I wish he had more paint on the back. But I see he has a little. Wait for it to. Come on. He has a little shovel. I wish those were painted. Because if they're working with Takara to make these figures, you would expect them to have like a whole bunch of paint on it. Just because of Takara, unless car mix the figures and Hasbro just rushes with the paint. But for size comparisons for vehicle, here we got Titans Return. Oops, Highbrow. You see how those scale together? Looks pretty good. So we move this aside, back to Ratchet. And he does got weapon storage. I wouldn't say the best weapon storage, but like peg it in on top. And it doesn't look that bad on him. Kind of looks like he has helicopter propellers. He's trying to like fly away. He's like, oh, get away from me, Megatron. What do I recommend this figure out of, ranking the figure out of 10? I'll give it a solid 5.5. Because this figure is a nice solid figure. I don't have any problems on it, and plus you get a little display stand. What I was hoping, which this figure should need, well, not hoping, I think this figure needs more paint. That's all this figure needs. And his pistol that he used